Hello, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys, where we teach the little guy and girl how to utilize charts to manage their own trades and investments. What do I mean by the little guy and girl? Well, we just had 2 directives signed halting the implementation of a rule that requires financial advisors to act in the best interests of their client. Let that sink in a little bit. The big wigs on Wall Street can play with your retirement and hard-earned money without your best interests at heart. We currently have hundreds of members taking charge of their financial future, and we would love for you to come check out a free week with no credit card required to see if our services would be beneficial on your path to financial independence as well. What we offer, we have a separate course of over 5 hours in length on when to enter and exit positions. And in terms of what we do daily, we have nightly videos, key levels updated each morning before the bell, 2.5 hours of live daily webcam coverage in the morning and in the afternoon, and over 7 hours of educational videos. All of these links can be found in the description of this video. Come check us out. Thanks for watching. Let's get on to the technical analysis.
Hey guys, James of the Chart Guys. It's Tuesday, April 18th. Going to do my nightly video on natural gas. So on this bounce play that we had on oversold RSI, you can see that on every pullback we formed a higher low. So we had this pullback here, higher low, pullback here, higher low, and now we are, in this pullback we had a higher low, but now we're forming a lower low on the daily chart. And you can see on this bounce attempt we formed a lower high, so it's changing the trend. So we're going to start looking bearish here, and you can see that we clearly have a TCG bear cross on the daily. Again, TCG bear cross is when the 4 EMA crosses on the 8 EMA. That is the green line, or the 8 under the red line, and that is a TCG bear cross. And you can see the power of these TCG crosses. You can see we had a bull cross here, 4 EMA over the 8 EMA. That's a nice upside. Sold bounce is now played out, and looks like we're pulling back some. For now, still healthy consolidation, but the direction to look is bearish, but because on the daily we're now setting lower highs and lower lows, and we've lost this 20 MA on the daily. We have a TCG bear cross, and the weekly, you see after holding that 20 MA, we are losing that 20 MA again. We are close to a TCG bear cross on the weekly as well to confirm that daily cross. Short-term MACD, the 369 MACD is forming close to a bear cross here. And on the further time frame, it's a little bit of ways, but we'll look at to see if this is a head and shoulders pattern. So we have the left shoulder, head, right shoulder, have a neckline here somewhere. It's a little bit of ways, but we'll see what develops. And what we really want to watch on the weekly is we have this inside candle. Again, inside candle, the high and low of the candle is in the previous candle's high and low range. And so if we close the week below the low of this candle at 3.132, then that'll be a bear break of the candle, and you can usually we'll see some more downside and further confirmation if we close below 3.121. So we can, how I draw my lines for inside candles is this. So we're still holding this uptrend line there, but 3.121 there, straight across. So we'll confirm this inside candle bear break if we close below this low again at 3.132. And what we really want to see on this bear break is a close below this this price support line, which is currently at the low of this candle at 3.121. So a close below 3.121 will absolutely confirm a bear break of the inside candle here on this weekly chart, and we'll start looking bearish again, and we will start looking for potential that head and shoulder pattern forming on the weekly. So have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow.